Hello everyone, today I want to introduce you to G-Tools Pro new tool. It's the rear camera frame remover, which is a device to remove the protective lenses from all iPhone models. I want to introduce it to you today and show how it works. So the tool comes with 6 different dies that will fit all iPhone models. 2 for the bottom side, like these, and 4 dies for the top side. Let me show you how it works. So here we have a iPhone 13. The glass is broken, but the goal is actually to take out the protective lenses so you can remove the glass using heat without breaking it. And then we need to figure out which of the top dies will fit. This time we take A, which fits nicely, and we can put the iPhone frame in the tool, put the top die on the top, and gently fix the tool in place. Then we can use our hands and just carefully apply pressure until the lens protector pops out. Tack! It falls down the bottom and it can be reused again. So here we have a pristine iPhone 12 backplate. In order to get the glass panel out, we need to remove the lens protectors. To do that without breaking the whole glass back, which is the most expensive part, we can use this special tool by G-Tools Pro. Let me demonstrate it. First, we need to select the right sized die. We're going to use the big one for this. And we're going to remove the left lens. We'll pick the B top die to try to remove it safely and in one piece. So we place the tool down, secure it in place by gently screwing it down. After the tool and the frame is in place, you can just grab it by hand and turn it until the lens protector pops out. So now we're left with a intact lens protector and hopefully a completely intact glass back panel. I've removed 2 lens protectors, there's only one left, and after I've removed this one, the original glass panel can be taken off intact and be reused. So after the removal of the last lens, the back panel is completely intact and the original glass can be reused again.